lesson give you some idea how to make questions and answers during a shopping as well as bargaining, price and cost. 1. Where are the pencils? They're on the second shelf. Okay, thanks. 2. How much is this mirror? It's $19.95. Okay. I'll take it. 3. How much does this cost? That one is $5. How about this one? 4. How much are these? They're $4 each. That's too expensive. 5. Do you have any t-shirts? What size? Medium or large? Large. 6. That comes to $26.59. Here's $30. Your change is $3.41. 7. That will be $17.48. Here's $17.50. Keep the change. Thanks. Vocabulary. Types of shops in English. Department store, a shop that sells many different items in different departments. Harrods is probably the world's best known department store. Supermarket, a large shop that sells mostly food and household items. Grocer, UK grocery store, US, a shop that sells food. Greengrocer, sells fresh fruit and vegetables. Butcher, sells fresh meat. Baker, sells fresh bread and cakes. Fishmonger, sells fresh fish. Chemist, UK drugstore, US, sells medicines and toiletries. Pharmacy, US, sells medicines. Newsagent, sells newspapers and magazines. Stationer, sells paper goods. Optician, sells glasses, contact lenses. DIY store, sells things for home improvement. Hardware shop, hardware store, ironmonger, hard goods, such as nails and screws. Corner shop, UK, a shop on the corner of your street, selling a range of basic goods, food, newspapers, sweets, bread, etc. Delicatessen, deli, sells specialist food not normally found in supermarkets. For example, an Italian deli, an Asian deli. Bookshop, bookstore, books. Market, market traders, people who work on a market, have stalls that sell fruit and vegetables, clothes, household items and so on. Pet shop, for pets and pet food. Flea market, a group of stalls selling old furniture or clothes. Tea shop, UK, like a cafe, but sells tea and cakes. Petrol station, UK gas station, US, sells petrol, car products and sometimes food. Usings. When we talk about shops, we often put ons on the end. For example, I'm going to the chemists, greengrocers, butchers, bakers, newsagents, fishmongers, opticians. We don't use ons with these shops: supermarket, hardware store, petrol station, department store. Sales vocabulary. December 26th, or Boxing Day, is traditionally the start of the winter sales in the UK, when items are heavily discounted. In fact, bargain hunters can find some items reduced up to 50% off their pre-sale price. An unbeatable offer, prices slashed, equals cut, or giveaway prices mean very low prices. Clearance sale, everything must go. Equals signs in shop windows advertising the sales. Snap up a bargain equals to buy something cheaply.
Short questions are very common in English speaking. In this lesson, we will practice to make short questions and short answers in different ways. Are you a doctor? Yes, I am. No, I'm a nurse. Is he from Colombia? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. No, he's from Venezuela. Is it time to go? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Not yet. Is she married? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. I don't know. Are they here yet? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Do you live in Oklahoma? Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I live in Texas. Does she drink coffee? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. No, she drinks tea. Does it fly? Yes, it does. No, I don't think so. Do you need some help? Yes, I do. No, I'm fine. Can I have this? Yes, you can. No, you can't. Should we go? Yeah. Okay. No, not yet. Could you help me? Sure. No, sorry. More information. There is a problem that many English students face. What verb should you use in the short answer? In the above conversation, the question uses the verb go. But the verb in the short answer is did. The difficulty is deciding which verb to use in the short answer. Here are two more examples. Jake, did you have dinner yet? Mary, yes, I did. Robert, should I have purchased a better computer? Phil, yes, you should have. Both of the above conversations contain the verb have, but only one uses it in the short answer. Why? It's simple. We have a great way to remember the rule. Talking about occupations in English. Occupation is what people do as their work to earn a living. Here are some sample phrases and sentences you can use for talking about occupations in English. 1. He works in a hospital and helps people who are sick. Sometimes he gets people shot or medicine. 2. She works at school and teaches students all day long. 3. He works in a kitchen and prepares lunches and dinners for customers. He loves to eat. 4. He flies airplane every day to faraway places. 5. She works in a hospital and takes care of sick people. She helps the doctors with many things. 6. He cuts and styles hair all day long. He works in a barber's shop. 7. He works outside and brings mails and packages to people. 8. He protects the cities from crimes and bad people. He also helps people with directions and other questions. 9. When there is a fire, he comes to the rescue. He drives a big red truck and a loud siren. 10. He works in a bus and helps people get to works, to schools and many other places.